This is the Hoco EQ24 wireless BT headset. I want to connect it to my phone. But when I tried to connect it to my phone, the Hoco EQ24 earbuds device is not showing up on my phone. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds are not showing up on my phone, let's see how to fix it. If there are stickers on the earbuds, remove the stickers from the earbuds. Now put both earbuds inside the charging case. Now try to connect it to your phone. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds are still not showing up on your phone, check if your earbuds have enough charge. If the earbuds do not have enough charge, charge them for 20 minutes. After charging the earbuds, try connecting them to your phone. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds are still not showing up on your phone, check if the earbuds are connected to another phone. If the earbuds are connected to another phone, unpair them from there. Now try connecting to the phone. Now the Hoco EQ24 earbuds will be visible on the phone. Now connect it. The Hoco EQ24 earbuds are now connected to the phone.